Hello my dear students, welcome to ASD Physics Academy. Today's question is the distance covered by a particle undergoing SHM in one time period is. Here SHM stands for simple harmonic motion, and harmonic motion is also called oscillatory motion or vibratory motion, and it is defined as to and fro motion of a particle about a fixed point. This fixed point is called mean position. Let's take for an example. A particle starts its journey from mean position. Let's take from point O, and it moves towards point M. This point M is called extreme position. After reaching point M, the particle changes its direction and moves towards point M dash through the point O. This point M dash is also called extreme position. And after reaching point M dash, again particle changes its direction and again moves towards point M through the point O. And in that way the particle keep on oscillates between point M and M dash. Here the time period is defined as the time taken by particle to repeat its path, to repeat its motion. That means here we have taken particle starts from point O, moves O to M, then again M to O, then O to M dash, and again M dash to O. That means particle started its motion from point O and again it reached to point O. So the time taken from here t equal to 0, from here t equal to capital T is called one time period. And in the question we have to calculate distance covered in one time period. One more thing here amplitude is defined as maximum displacement of the particle from the mean position. So here mean position is O and maximum displacement from the mean position is M. So this distance is called amplitude, maximum displacement. Now again this side also minus A. Here we will take the general sign convention. That means if this is origin, this side positive and this side negative. Now in the question we have to calculate the distance after one time period. That means time taken from point O to point O. In this time whatever distance is traveled by particle, that we have to calculate. That means distance equal to from point O to M plus M to O plus O to M dash and again M dash to O. In this one time period we are going to calculate the distance. Now O to M distance is A plus M to O. Here direction is changed, but we have to remember that this distance is the scalar quantity. That means we will take the actual path length. That means again A, O to M dash again A, actual path length, plus M dash to O again A. And hence in one time period distance of the particle is given by 4A. If we talk about the displacement, we know that in one time period initial and final position will be same, and hence if in the question they are asking the displacement, that will be 0. But in our question distance traveled will be 4A.